Hey guys, it's Chantel. Thank you for tuning in. So we're going to learn quite a few things tonight.
Hey everyone, this is Anna with JCPL. Welcome back to Maker Monday.
Save our Maker Monday videos in your playlist and refer to them anytime that you need help. You can also make an appointment with one of our computer desk associates. For example, this lovely video was designed by Anna Cruz.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL Creative Space at www.jesspublib.org/creative space.